Assistant 8700 Papa Greenville Tower, proceed inbound for a 2-mile left base entry, runway 1, winds 220.
Alright, oil pressure looks good, oil temperature looks good, fuel pressure looks good.
2-mile left
Grab
base.
that right rudder.
Okay, 700 Papa.
Airspeed is alive, we're making left traffic. Looking for 60. We have 60 and we're taking off. Looking for 75.
561, now check the mode C on. You got the 1200, but on the altitude readout.
Looking for 75, climb.
Got it now, thanks.
561.
Looking for 1500.
Alright, Greenville Tower, Pacer 9733 Delta's over Furman with information whiskey, inbound full stop.
Pacer 9733 Delta, Greenville Tower, in our left downwind, runway 1, wind calm, altimeter 3008.
Left downwind, runway 1, 9733 Delta.
Number 97 Foxtrot, runway 1, clear touch and go. Don't take it out too far. Got inbound traffic 4 southwest coming in behind.
Clear touch and go, won't take it too far, 97 Foxtrot.
This is 00 Papa, you're following Cherokee traffic, currently about 9:30, 10 o'clock to position, about 2.5 miles on the downwind leg. We'll be approaching left base shortly.
00 Papa, roger, we'll be looking. That's 00 Papa, still looking for the traffic, not inside right now.
9:30, 10 o'clock now, about 2 miles, turning left base.
00 Papa, I have traffic inside.
00 Papa, traffic ahead is touch and go, number 2, cleared land 1.
Runway 1, cleared land number 2, 00 Papa.
Hold it off as long as you can. Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Come on, buddy. Alright, flaps are down, going full power. Alright, looking for 60. 60, airspeed's alive, let's go, let's go, let's go. 75, let's just hold that, that's what we want. Woo! A little bit more bumps, but that's alright, we're used to this. Alright, we got 80. Let's get a little more nose up. We want 75, not 80. I got traffic on my left. I see that.
Base 33 Delta, following Cessna traffic short, flying about a 3/4 mile out. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 1.
Clear to land, runway 1, number 2, 9733 Delta. The traffic in sight, 33 Delta.
Copy.
Alright, let's bring that climb back. Wait till we beam that traffic.
Base 33 Delta, you gonna be going back to the west ramp after landing or south?
That'll be the west ramp.
Copy.
Alright, we're beam.
Plan on a Delta turnoff then. This is 00 popping, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi tower ramp with me.
Left Alpha 5 to tower ramp, 00 Pop.
Alright, we got one more touch and go, and then we got a landing.
Number 907 Foxtrot, your number 2, following pace of traffic, turn about a half mile, dog leg to final full stop. Clear touch and go, number 2.
I have that traffic in sight, number 2 for touch and go. Number 2, 97 Foxtrot.
Number 97 Foxtrot, Greenville, copy.
97 Foxtrot, copy. Make sure pump lights, everything good to go.
Base 33 Delta, you can turn left at Delta and Texas the west ramp with me. Have a good night.
West Delta to the west ramp with you, 330 Delta.
Finals clear, turning in. We're at 70.
Greenville Tower, Diamond 278 Delta Charlie, 10 miles to the northwest, inbound full stop, whiskey.
Diamond 278 Delta Charlie, Greenville, turn right mid, correction left midfield, downwind runway 1.
For 60. Okay, we got 60, let's go up.
Left midfield downwind, runway 1, 278 Delta Charlie.
Looking for 75, climb out. 2 touching goes down, full stop to go. Best glide, if anything, and then we'll find our place to put her down.
Just on 8, Bravo 3 Alpha 6 cross 19.
All right. Looking for our altitude. And there we are. Alright, we're taking our downwind. Our pre-landing checklist, we got mixture full rich. Pumps, lights, everything is good to go. Altitude's looking
Greenville
good.
Tower, Dakota 28561, about 9 miles out to the west, landing GMU full stop.
Cherokee 28561, Greenville Tower on the left midfield downwind runway 1, wind light and variable, altimeter 3008.
Report mid downwind, runway 1, 561.
Number 97 Foxtrot, runway 1 cleared to land.
Cleared to land, runway 1, 97 Foxtrot. Alright, last one. Make sure pumps, lights good, everything is good to go. Let's just get that pitch set.
Greenville Tower, good evening, Sierra 779er Julia Whiskey, 6.5 miles. East, inbound, full stop to self-serve with information whiskey.
779 Julia Whiskey, Greenville Tower, roger. Proceed inbound, right base, enter runway 1, wind light and variable, altimeter 3008.
Then right base to 1 for 9 Julia Whiskey.
Little low, out of hair power. Second out to flaps. Compensate a little bit with trim. We're at 1500, here we go. We're at 70.
900 Julia Whiskey, runway 1 clear to land.
Clear to land on 1, 9 Julia Whiskey.
Cherokee 561, you're following diamond traffic. It's currently 12 o'clock to position, about 2.5 miles, center on the left downwind.
Bringing that power out. And that power is out. House numbers at 70. And let's hold
Cherokee
that boy out.
561, Greenville.
561.
Cherokee 561, you're following traffic 2 o'clock and about 2 miles on the downwind legs of Diamond.
I have traffic, 561.
Roger, follow that traffic inbound. We're 907 Foxtrot, you can stay with me, Alpha 3 to south ramp.
Alpha 3 south ramp with you, 97 Foxtrot. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Yeah, buddy.
Tower, Diamond 278 Delta Charlie, midfield left downwind runway 1.
Diamond 8 Delta Charlie, your number 2, following serious traffic on about 1.5 miles, dog leg right base to final.
Looking for that traffic, 10 out Delta Charlie.
Currently about 10 o'clock to your position, about 1.5 miles.
Got traffic type, 10 out Delta Charlie.
8 Delta Charlie, traffic ahead is full stop, number 2, clear to land, runway 1.
Number 2, runway 1, clear to land, 8 Delta Charlie.
Cherokee 561, your number 3 behind the Diamond ahead of you, 1 mile, clear to land, runway 1.
Number 3 behind the Diamond, 561.
Oh man. Alright, well, let's start taking those lights and switches off. Fuel pump is off. Everything is good to go. Let's turn off the back.